like up, because sometimes it'll just go boom or something. Success is making it go up like a pretty good amount of feet or meters.
So usually when you get like a kit for a rocket, it comes with a set of instructions. But for this, we were given a list of materials, and we had to make a list of instructions for ourselves, just based on different things that we could find.
It's just like a basic beginner's rocket. It was just the motor right here, and then the body, and then the thing on top.
Can you put tape on you?
And then the fin.
It
was like really simple. It was really no much. It was just about putting things together.
So you made it from scratch?
Yeah.
It's not gonna fall off.
How did you know how to make it? Did you study?
Yeah, he was teaching us how to make it. We had to research about the materials needed.
And is this a kind of a competition?
In a way, in itself, I guess it could be, because we all want our rocket to be the best one. So I guess it could be, yeah. But it's just a learning experience.
We're building like little rockets for now, just to like learn more about rocketry. Yeah, and then later on we're gonna, I think we're gonna get into groups of 3 or 5, and then we're building like bigger rockets. So for this year, we have to build a rocket that goes a mile high and has like that carries like a 20-pound payload.
Really useful for any career. We present all the time, which you'll do. And then working with others, it's great. And then you develop really nice communication skills.
Are anyone going to become an engineer?
Yeah,
A scientist?
You probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. What type of engineer?
Aerospace.
I'm sorry?
Aerospace.
So this helps?
Yeah, this helps.
You're going to look back at this and think, this
I
is
did
how it all
this.
started.
Yeah.
When you were in this spacecraft going to Mars, right? Thank you all.
All right.
So it's going to come back this way, so the wind's blowing.
Back over here and try to land in the base.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's on fire! It's on fire! It's on fire! It's on fire! Step on it, Mr. Morrill! Step on it!
I'll stay away from it.
Step on it. Is a baseball field that has someone? How it'll fly.
Okay.
These ideas.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh, that one was good. That one was good.
There, it came out. Came open.
Red ribbon right here just goes up and signifying this is going to be the parachute. Make it come down smoothly.
So a lot of times this breaks or comes loose.
Yes, and it just like comes apart. Yes. Or sometimes, like the other incident, sometimes if it's too high up, it caught on fire and it burns everything inside. Because we have these little paper sheets that prevent it from touching the rest of it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Is that good?